found Dr. Bolton, and after one attempt, my result was dramatic. You get the greatest bang for your buck. The way he attempts it is to get the best result at that time. And I've been very happy, and I can't say a negative word about it. It's a true blessing. Don't believe that I had this result in one sitting. I'd like to thank him. I'm just overwhelmed and over grateful.
What you see right now, it's two different person from before and now. I'm really happy with what's going on right now. Only at 4 months. It was something like, I don't know, magical. In a matter of like 2-3 months, my hair was growing. People are amazed when they see me. They're like, where's the old Nestor? I don't think you will find anywhere else to go if you don't come here. He is the man for this job. I just want to say, don't hold back. If you're losing your hair and you really want to be confident with yourself, come here and get yourself, get a procedure done, and you will be happy with what you're going to get.
As far as I could tell, the research that I did was the best in the area. We were just talking the whole time. I didn't even actually read much of anything. It's awesome. It's like I got my hair back. I feel so much better. I feel so much younger. I feel great, I feel great about my hair. Like, first time I've been the hat guy. I would recommend Dr. Bolton. The staff and everybody was very competent. He exceeded my expectations as far as what I thought I was going to get out of it. Thanks, Dr. Bolton. Appreciate it. Cheers.
I was 20 years old when I first started noticing hair loss. My hair loss made me less confident, so it was harder to go out in public. I wanted to do the procedure because I wanted to regain confidence. Just made me more confident, higher self-esteem. I feel like I need more hair in the future. I'll definitely do it again. But Dr. Bolton actually improved the other scar that I had. I totally recommend it. I enjoyed my experience, and I don't think it could go much better than it did. I'd say thank you. The results speak for themselves.
Losing my hair really affected my confidence more than anything. Hair transplant surgery was the only real option that is available today. My procedure lasted about 5 hours. The staff was very friendly. There was literally no pain during the procedure. The results are amazing. I mean, I couldn't be happier with the results from the first procedure that I had. The investment was worth it to me. I recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody that I talk about. I thank Dr. Bolton for giving me back my, my confidence and my hair and my looks and everything.